So it's New Year's Eve and we are now going to a friend's house first before we head on to the city to check the fireworks. So basically we are just going towards metro. So this is my outfit of the night. So I'm wearing this beanie from Monkey, and then I have my Mighty Mango bag and my shoes from H&M, and I'm wearing a dress from Mango. So yeah. So now we are at Leo's friend's house. We are about to have champagne. Happy New Year! We are now on 14th floor. This is the view from the balcony. Oh look! There are already some fireworks. So we are now on the way to Helsinki. We haven't had any dinner, so we're gonna have it there as well. Yeah, so we are now at the place where they're going to have the fireworks and the stage show. Now it's like 10 p.m. so it's quite early and we don't want to wait here for so long. That's where our friends are, Mark and Saki.
Here we go, it's Hokkaido. If you shake it, it will get warmer. So just shake it until it get warmer.
Does it get warmer now?
Slightly.
That's 16 hours.
Wow. You have it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's much
Oh,
warmer.
he's not even wearing any gloves at all. Yeah, this is warm.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's awesome. 5 out of 5.
Berliner look.
Berliner.
So my friend from Berlin came to Finland. It was a very special moment for me, but came to
It smells
Finland.
really good.
I like it.
And he brought me.
Glasses. What are we cheering for?
For me, Happy New Year!
So we just left the place. Now it's like almost midnight. There are already some fireworks. Oh damn, look at it. It says 4 more minutes to the next train, so probably we won't be able to make it to the same place before midnight. But I think we will be on the street just looking at the fireworks, so yeah. Oh my god, it's so crowded. It's only 2 more minutes to midnight and we are still going towards the place where they're gonna shoot fireworks. Yeah, a lot of people walking towards the same direction as well. Yes. Oh my god, 57, 58, 59. Happy New Year! Have anything to say for New Year?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And I love you.
I will end the vlog right here, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
Okay.
Bye guys.